Hi there ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Capital A Trading and welcome to what's going to be another episode of Case Study. So this is just the videos where I kind of highlight some trades that I've mentioned in the Forex Weekly videos and then bring them in a bit more detail to you, showing you how the move was caught and how you could have maybe caught onto the profitable situation. So if that sounds good, if you trade, if you take investments, my first piece of advice is hit that subscribe button in the bottom right corner. Stay up to date with the channel. There's a lot of exciting content coming within the next month. Today was the launch of my website in the background there. That's www.capitalatrading.co.uk. Go and check that out. A lot of exciting content and educational content on there as well. Last but not least, the Absolutely magazine. Thank you for everything you have done in helping me reach this point. It's available now in all Waitrose and M&S stores. Go and check that out. The new edition is out soon. With that being said, we're going to take a look at the UK100 and what was previously said in one of the Forex Weeklies. Next up is the UK100. Now, for those of you who follow my videos, you'll know that I've mentioned this area for quite a long time, for around 2 months now, and it's looking good. So for around 2 months now, it's been in this area, sitting here. I believe the sell is going to cook, it is going to come, but I just want it to come a little bit higher, tap into this area, then go. It hasn't officially done that yet. There has been no interaction with this blue candle over here. So if I just come down to a daily now, again, you'll see that there's starting to actually be a break of structure as well. So this is starting to look very powerful in this area. Now, if I just come down to a 4 hour, what I want to explain this week is, yes, I'm still expecting price to come higher, maybe higher than this area, which is where that blue candle will be, which I just spoke about on the weekly time frame. So I'm looking for a retest back down towards this level here. Let's say around the 6,900, 6,9, let's say 6,920, somewhere in this level. I'm expecting to see price just sit here during the week. I don't know what day. Again, if it does get to around Wednesday evening and it's not done this, the trade will be invalidated for me. And I'm just looking for a buy to ride up above this area. Hopefully take out the liquidity. If it looks like it's going to stick there, that'll be a decision that I make at the time. So again, just be aware of this one. That's the UK100. Okay, so to just bring this one in a bit more detail to you, the area that I mentioned here on the 4 hour, it looks familiar. It's a scenario that I'm very familiar with. And of course, it has that little market gap as well. So what I want to do now is just kind of bring you into a bit more detail as to how we kind of get the understanding that the move is going to power off from there. And what I want to kind of talk about is the movement that happened in the morning. So what you're looking at now is around 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m. and so on. So this is the 6 a.m. candle at the bottom here, the little blue one. Now, what's happening is the London session is about to open. Now, what you can see at 8 o'clock is it all of a sudden starts to power off and makes a really a nice push to the upside, creating that market gap, letting me know that something has happened in this area down below. So that lets me know that, yes, something has been placed here, like a transaction. And what's going to happen now, what you'll notice at a later date, is price just shoots back down towards it. But what's the interesting part is look at the time at the bottom right screen of the screen there. It's 8 o'clock in the morning again. So the time it powered off was 8 o'clock in the morning, and the time it came back was 8 o'clock in the morning. And from that point of hitting this area, as you can see, price just rises and rises and rises towards that area that I first mentioned. So again, guys, keep an eye on these Forex Weeklies that are out every Sunday. That's where the shouts are. So that was the UK100. Again, a very profitable situation just by catching on to these Sunday videos, the Forex Weeklies. So again, my first piece of advice would be hit that subscribe button, stay up to date so you can get the first shout when that video is released. And again, hopefully catch yourself in a profitable situation from that. Quick shout out to the Absolutely magazine. Again, thank you for everything you've done. It's available now in all Waitrose and M&S stores. Last but not least, be sure to check out my website that launched today. There's a lot of exciting content that's going to be added onto there. Have a great trading week.
Bye, have a great time.